Anran is a manufacturer studying deeply in video surveillance industry for 10 years. A team focusing on bringing the latest and greatest video technology to our customers. Provides products and services for smart life. Founded in 2009 and headquartered in Shenzhen, it has grown to be an innovative and responsible company in providing video surveillance products and security-centric solutions. Anran set the branches in Hong Kong and the United States. The company has independent product design and development, software and hardware development and maintenance, in-depth integration of AI. Anran has been providing competitive video security products and solutions for users from over 100 countries and regions, more than 3 million active users. So far, it has established warehousing and logistics centers in the USA, UK, France, Germany, Australia, and Japan, as well as a complete service system worldwide. Anran products make high-tech sophistication simple to install and operate. The do-it-yourself surveillance systems are easy to install for the novice, yet powerful enough for the expert. Anran will work with our partners to make the latest technology serve every family and create a happy home life. Always know what happens at home with Anran camera. We can share the love and the happy life at any time from anywhere. Touch Anran. Security made simple and smart.